Yesterday we are learned practice set 5.2. In practice set 5.2 we are learned some of the problems. So some of the problem is remains. So we are start that problem in practice set 5.2. So that is the 10 to 10, 11 and 12. So that three problems we want to learn today's lectures. So let's we start the question number 10. We have started from question number 10. So see what is given here. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection. They are said the trisection means they are divided into three sections. Okay, that is called as the trisection. Trisection of line segment AB with A coordinates are 2 and 7 and B coordinates are -4 and -8. Okay, so here is, see, this is the diagram that can be show you with help of the, first we are labeling the diagram and afterwards we can solve the problem whatever they said. So see, this is the segment AB, A to B. So this is the segment AB and the segment AB divided into three parts. One is the AP, another is the PQ, another is the QB. So this AB segment that can be seen on a screen, you will see the AB segment divided into three parts. One is AP, another is PQ, another is QB. So such a way three parts the AB is divided. So these each part are equal, means AP is equal to PQ, PQ is equal to QB. So each and every part is equal here. So A points coordinates 2 and 7. Then here is B points coordinate is also given to you and that B point coordinates are -4, -8. That can be seen in a diagram. Okay, so what you want to find out? You want to find out first P coordinates. You want to find out, that is not given. So that can be right here after we finding. Okay, so you want to find out x1, y1. You want to find out x2, y2. So see, they are said the AB is divided into three parts. So A points coordinates 2, 7, B points coordinates -4, -8. So it is called as the P point, that is x1, y1, because this is the P point, that coordinates are not given, so we are considered this is x1 and y1. Afterwards there is the another point, that is the Q, that is x2, y2. So see in this diagram, this is the Q point, that coordinates are x2 and y2. Okay, such a way. So here is they are divided into equal parts. Why we are say they are divided into equal parts? Because see, AP having two identical marks, PQ having two identical marks, QB having two identical marks. That what is the meaning of that? If the identical marks are same, then each parts are equal. So we are said AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB, and so here is right, AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Equation 1. Anyone doubts here? Then see. So what happened? AP you are taken only to the such a parts, AP divided by what? PB. Totally you are taken AP divided by PB. So here is AP divided by PB. So AP is remain as it is. This is the AP divided by PB. So AP, there is no value of AP, that is AP is no don't having any points. So AP is remain as it is. So here is I write AP as it is. But see, here is the PB. So PB is equal to what? So see, PB is equal to P to B. That is called PB. So PB is equal to PQ. This is the PQ plus QB. Are you understand? The PB is equal to what you get? See, this is the PB, that is the denominator you are giving. PB is the denominator. So PB denominator value you are getting is PQ and another is QB. Okay, so PB is equal to, we are putting value PQ plus QB. Anyone doubts? Then see here what they are said. AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. So they are said PQ is equal to QB and is equal to what? AP. So here is we are said PQ is equal to AP. So I write here AP. QB is equal to also AP. So I write here AP. So what you get here? So see, AP upon PB is equal to what you get? the numerator is the AP, that is the numerator, so AP numerator is remain as it is, PQ plus QB. So PQ is equal to what? AP. QB is equal to what? AP. So here is PQ, I write AP. QB, I write AP. Okay, so AP is remain as it is. AP plus AP, what you get? AP plus AP, what you get? AP plus AP, 2AP. So here is we write 2AP. So AP upon PB is equal to AP upon 2AP. Okay, are you understand how can get this AP and AP? Are you understand this AP and AP? How can you get? See, PQ is equal to what they are said? AP. So instead of PQ, I write here AP. QB is equal to what they are said? AP. So QB instead of I write here AP. So AP plus AP, how many you are getting? 2AP. So I write here 2AP. Numerator AP remain as it is. AP 1 za AP. So AP upon PB is equal to 1 upon 2. So this is the value you are getting here. AP upon PB is equal to what you get? 1 upon 2. So that is called as the ratio. So AP upon PB, that ratio is equal to 1:2. Are you understand up to this? Anyone having doubts here? So the ratio you are getting AP is to PB is equal to 1 upon 2. How you are getting? Are you understand? AP 1 za AP. So this AP cancel. So here is 1 remain. AP 1 za AP. So 1. And here is 2. This 2 is remain as it is. How are you getting AP? See, PQ is equal to AP. So instead of PQ, I write here AP. QB is equal to PQ, but PQ is equal to AP. So instead of QB, I write here AP. So AP plus AP, 2AP. So AP 1 za AP, cancel 1 upon 2. So AP upon PB is equal to 1:2. That is the ratio you are getting here. So P divides segment AB in the ratio 1:2. So this is the P, that P segment divides the AB in the ratio of 1:2. 1:2. See, this is AP1 and PB is remain 2. Okay. Then another. So we are using the section formula of mx2. What is that? mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. So see here I am showing you what I am saying. So this AP upon PB, that is the ratio is called m is to n. So m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 2. Then what is the section formula? So section formula x is equal to, we are using mx2. So see, this is the mx2. So mx2 is equal to what is given here? See, mx2 minus 4, and this is the mx1 2. Okay, divided by m plus n. So here is substituting the values here. So mx1, m is equal to 1, x2 is equal to minus 4, plus nx, n is equal to 2, nx1 is equal to 2. So m plus n, m is 1, n is 2. AP is to PB ratio, AP is to PB ratio is what? 1:2. So 1 is the m and 2 is the n. Okay, this is the section formula. So minus 4 into 1. In multiplication, sign of both number are not same. So answer must be negative. So we are getting minus 4. 4 1 are 4 minus 4. 2 2 are 4 minus 4 plus 4. 1 plus 2 3. So 4 into 1 minus 4 plus 2 into 2 4. 2 2 are 4. So 4 is negative. This 4 is positive. Sign of both number are not same. So sign of both number are not same. So answer you are getting is 0. So minus 4 plus 4, subtracted that, answer is 0. So you are getting 0 upon 3. So here is I write minus 4 plus 4, sign is not same, subtract. So you are getting 0. Denominator is 3. So I write here 3. 3 divided 0. 3 0 0. So x1 is equal to 0. So x1 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the value. Then this is x1 I am finding. Then I want to find out y1. So we are using again section formula, that is my2 plus ny1. my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So m is equal to 1, y2 is equal to minus 8, then n is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 7. m1 n2. 8 into 1, 8 1 is 8 into 1, 8 1 is 8 minus 8, 2 into 7 14, minus 8 plus 14 divided by 1 plus 3, minus 8 plus 14 sign is not same, subtract 14 minus 8, what is remains 6 upon 3. So here is you are getting minus 8. Are you understand how can you get minus 8? Because minus 8 is multiplying 1, so you are getting minus 8. 2 into 7, what you get? 14, so you are getting plus 14. 14 is positive, 8 is negative, sign is not same, subtract 14 minus 8, what is remains 6 upon 3. So y1 is equal to 6 upon 3. Okay, y1 is equal to 6 upon 3. 3 2s are 6, so y1 is equal to 2. Such a way you are finding the x1 y1. Okay, so this is the p points. The p points coordinates are 0 2. Okay, this is x1 0, y1 2. Okay, this is p points coordinate. Then we are solve another thing here. Here condition is a dash p dash q. So this is the p is in betweenness of a and q. P is in betweenness of a, p and q. So here is a points coordinates 2 and 7, a points coordinates 2 and 7, p points coordinate 0 and 2, q points coordinates x2 and y2, q points coordinate x2 and y2. Okay, so here is what you want to find out. You want to find out x2 and y2. Okay, you want to find out x2 and y2, that you want to find out. So see what they are said, AP upon QB is equal to what? AP plus PQ. So this is the AP is equal to PQ, they are said. So see AP upon PQ, so this is your what is the denominator QP. So AP is equal to QB, so I write here QB. PQ is equal to QB, so I write here QB. Okay, AP is equal to QB, so I write here QB. Plus sign remain as it is. PQ is equal to QB, so I write here QB. So QB plus QB, what you get? QB plus QB, you are getting 2QB. Okay, so see AQ upon QB. Okay, AQ upon QB is equal to 2QB upon QB. Okay, so see QB plus QB divided by QB. Are you understand this QB how you are getting? AP equal to QB, so here is QB. PQ is equal to QB, so here is QB. Okay, according to first, then in the first statement they are given. So QB plus QB, what you get? 2QB. So 2QB divided by QB. So QB cancel with this QB. So what you get? 2 upon 1. 2 upon 1. So AQ upon QB, AQ upon QB is equal to 2 upon 1. AQ upon QB is equal to 2 upon 1. This is the ratio you are getting. So to divide the segments AB in the ratio 2:1. So see, this is the P, sorry, here is P. So this P is divide now Q, this Q divide the segment AB in the ratio 2:1. So bisection formula we are solved. MX2. So x2 is here, x2. So MX2, here is M is equal to 2 and N is equal to 1. See here, M is equal to 2 because here is the ratio you are getting 2 upon 1. In first there is you are getting 1 upon 2. So that is the difference, remember that. So M is equal to 2, N is equal to 1. So bisection formula x2. So that x2, only see that x2 you want to find out and that y2 you want to find out. So bisection formula x2 is equal to mx2 plus ny1, sorry, mx2 plus here is nx1 divided by m plus 1. M is equal to 2, see you are see here 2, so I write 2. X2 here is that given, so that is the minus 4 and 1 is n, then x1, see this is the 2, x1 is 2, so here is I write 2. So 2 plus 1, what you get? 2 plus 1 3, 4 to z minus 8 and 2 1s are 2. So 4 to z you are getting minus 8. 2 ones are 2, so here is you get 2, 4 twos are 8, so you are getting minus 8. 2 ones are 2, so you are getting 2. 2 plus 1, you are getting 3. So 8 is negative, 2 is positive, sign is not same, subtract. What is get? Minus 6. So here is minus 6 divided by 3. 3 twos are 6. So x2 is equal to minus 2. x2 is equal to minus 2. So you are getting x2. Then you want to find out y2. Again you are using section formula and ratio is same, m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 1. So by section formula we are finding y2. So y2 is equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by 2 plus 1. 2 m is equal to 2. Here is minus 8. Then this is plus 7. 2 plus 1 3. 8 2s are 16. Minus 16 plus 7. So minus 16 plus 7 divided by 3. 16 is positive, 16 is negative, 16 is negative. So 16 is negative, 7 is positive. Sign are not same, so subtract. 16 minus 7, what is remains? Why are subtract? Sign are not same. So what is remain? 9. Bigger number sign minus. Minus 9 upon 3. 3 is divided minus 9. 3 3s are 9. So y2 is equal to minus 3. Such a way you are getting, here is the q as a coordinate, that x2 minus 2 and y2 is equal to also minus 3. Such a way, here is the minus, this here is written that minus 3. Okay, here is by mistake remains the sign, but y2 is equal to minus 3 and that is written here. Such a way we are solve this problem. Anyone having doubts in this problem? Then we are going to learn problem number 11. A minus 14 minus 10, B 6 minus 2 is given. Find the coordinates of the point which divide the segment AB into 4 equal parts. In first problem they are divided into 3 equal parts, but in this problem they are divided into 4 equal parts. Means 4 parts are equal. So first we can draw the diagram and afterwards we can give the name for each and every points and see. Here is. So here is. See, this is the 4 parts. So it is AP1. This is PQ, 2 parts. This is QR, 3 parts. This is RB, 4 parts. Okay. So first AP, PQ second, QR third and RB 4. Okay. Such a way there are the 4 parts. Okay. There are the 4 parts. A minus 14 minus 10, P x1 y1, Q x2 y2, R x3 y3 and B 6 and minus 2. Okay. So first you want to find out Q. Okay, you want to find out Q. So see, so this is the A points coordinate minus 14 minus 10, B points coordinate 6 and minus 2. Okay, so here is we are find out the Q here. So A points coordinate minus 14 minus 10, B points coordinate 6 and minus 2. So let PQR be the point that divides segment AB into 4 equal parts. This is 1, this is second, this is third and this is 4. That is the 4 equal parts they are divided. So AP, so we are say that AP is equal to PQ, PQ is equal to QR, QR is equal to RB. So that is x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. So here is Q is the midpoint of segment AB. So this diagram is showing to you, because in this diagram you are confusing. So you don't be confused. For that purpose here is we draw the diagram AB. So this is the AB segment, this is the A points coordinate, this is the B points coordinate, and want to find out Q, that is x2 and y2 you want to find out. So see here, midpoint formula we are using. So you are using the midpoint formula. So you want to find out x2. So here is a right x2. X2 is equal to this x1 plus this x, what is given their name, x4, x1 plus this x4, x1 plus x4. So x1 is minus 14, so here is the right x1 minus 14, and x4 is 6, so here is the right 6. So minus 14 plus 6, okay, divide by 2, minus 14 plus 6 divided by 2. 14 is negative, 6 is positive, sign are not same, so subtract. 14 minus 6, what is remain? 14 is negative and 6 is positive, sign are not same, so we are subtract. 14 subtract 6, what is remains? 8. You can give bigger number sign here, so it is minus 8 upon 2. So here is x2 is equal to, you are getting minus 8 upon 2. So this 2 is the denominator, that 2 denominator divides the numerator. 2 4s are 8, so x2 is equal to minus 4. So here is you are get x2 is equal to minus 4. So this is x2, you are right here minus 4, q points x2. Then again we are using midpoint formula and you are finding the y2. So if you want to find out the y2 this, then you are taken y1 plus y4 divided by 2. See here, by midpoint formula is there. So by midpoint formula, y1 minus 10, y4 minus 2 divided by 2. 10 is negative, 2 is negative. Sign of both number are same. So answer must be, sign of both number are same. So what can you do? We can do the addition of that numbers. Okay, we can do the addition of that number. 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2, what you are getting? Minus 12. So minus 12 upon 2. So y2 is equal to, you are getting minus 12 upon 2. 2 is divided 12. So what you get? 6. So y2 is equal to, you are get minus 6. So here is y2 is equal to minus 6. We are right here. Okay. So q points. So that q point has a coordinate minus 4 and minus 6. Okay. Then p points. P is the midpoint of segment AQ. So that you want to find. P is the midpoint of segment AQ. So P point is the midpoint of segment AQ. By midpoint formula, we are solve this problem. See, here is the AQ is here, AQ. Then first in last problem we are in AB. Remember that in last problem here is AB, and here is in this problem there is AQ. So AQ's midpoint is P given. Okay, P is the midpoint of AQ. So this is x1 y1, this is x3 y3, x2 y2. Okay, so you want to find out x1 and y1. So you want to find out x1. So with help of the midpoint formula, minus 14 plus minus 4. So here is I write minus 14 plus minus 4 divided by 2. 14 is negative, 4 is negative. Sign of both number are same, so answer is minus 18 upon 2. So here is we are 18 minus 18 upon 2. 2 is divided minus 18. 2 9s are 18. So x1 is equal to minus 9. Okay. So here is I write x1 is equal to minus 9. Anyone doubts? Then I want to find out y1. So y1 is equal to minus 10 plus minus 6 divided by 2. See, with help of the midpoint formula, we are using here y1 is equal to minus 10 minus 6 divided by 2. So 10 is negative, 6 is negative. Sign of both number are same. See, sign of both number are same. So answer must be, so we can do addition. So 10 is negative, 6 is negative, so we can do addition. 10 plus 6, 16. Whatever with the sign negative. Minus 16 upon 2. So here is written minus 16 upon 2. 2 is divided 16. So what you get? 2 8s are 16, minus 8. So y1 is equal to minus 8. Such a way, here you are finding the P points quadrant. That is the P points quadrant we are getting minus 9, minus 8. Then see, here is the another segment we are taken. This is the QB segment we are taken. Okay. In QB segment, R is the midpoint of QB. So here is written R is the midpoint of QB. So here is R is the midpoint of segment AB. So we are using the midpoint formula. So this is x3. x3 is equal to minus 4 plus 6 divided by 2. Midpoint formula means only addition of xx, addition of yy. So here is x minus 4 and here is 6. So minus 4 plus 6 divided by 2. 4 is negative, 6 is positive. So sign are not same. Sign are not same, so subtract. 6 minus 4, what is remain 2. So x3 is equal to 2 upon 2. So x3 is equal to 2 upon 2. 2 ones are 2. So x3 is equal to 1. Okay. So x3 is equal to 1. Then you want to find out y3. So y3 is equal to what? Minus 6 plus minus 2 divided by 2. 6 is negative, 2 is negative. So sign of both number are same. So we can do addition, divide by 2. So here is y3 is equal to minus 6 plus minus 2 divided by 2. 6 is negative, 2 is negative. Sign of both number are same. So here is written minus 8 upon 2. So minus 8 upon 2. 2 4s are 8. So y3 is equal to minus 4. y3 is equal to minus 4. Such a way you are getting r coordinates 1 and minus 4. So each and every parts we are getting. First point coordinate minus 9, minus 8, another minus 4, minus 6, and last 1 and minus 4. Such a way we are see the two problems, and that all problems can be solved by the section formula, and some of the formula can be solved by the midpoint formulas. Means there are the two problems we are solved. This problem is also same. Here is the only 5 parts are there. This segment is divided into 5 parts. So you can draw the segment by yourself and make a 5 parts and give each point name and give their coordinates, and you can find out that coordinates with midpoints formula. Okay, have a nice day, and send the homework that is seen on a screen. So you please send the homework to my WhatsApp number. Stay home, stay safe, and I request, if some of the students are still not subscribed the channel, so please subscribe channel, and if you are subscribed the channel, then you are share this video with our 10B students, and this, and say to your friends that subscribe these channels. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.